Hello there, I'm Brad Hyde, BDM for RGC, and we're here today in the Ricoh UK showroom at our Customer Experience Centre in Telford. We're here to have a first look at the new Pro C5400, a compact device that has been built on the success of its predecessor, the 5300. So we could have a very small configuration here with over 3,000 sheets paper capacity, or we could extend the paper capacity by adding something like the vacuum LCT, and that can take us up to over 8,000 sheets ready to feed through this engine. So an extremely productive engine, and it's modular, so we can build on an initial small configuration. Some of the changes, we now have an optional document feeder. So previous this would have been standard, but the document feeder is now optional. Like I say, we can have this or a platen. So it's faster, it can accept heavier weight papers, and also we can go down to almost business card size for scanning and copying. So quite impressive improvement there. One of the standout improvements for me is the startup time. So we're down below 30 seconds for it to warm up and start printing that first sheet. So from the previous model, 120 seconds plus, that's a huge improvement. Showroom device, we have a buffer pass unit, which is the same as before, so we can work with your customers to see if that's necessary. But here we have the new SR5140 booklet maker, and this is quite unique in that we can add a staplerless binding unit into it. So we're going to use water pressure crimping to add a staple or a fastener in the top left or two down the side to make a booklet. So that's going to be very appealing for some marketplaces out there like schools, nurseries, etc. Very environmentally friendly. Just thinking about some of the applications we can print. Yes, we're going to print posters and flyers quite happily. Take that as a given. Booklets, absolutely 100%. But then we want to get a bit more creative, so we can print labels. We can print envelopes. And for this device, we now have a specific envelope fusing unit, so we're not going to compromise any other work should we want to print high volume envelopes on this device. Lying around there. Synthetics, so menus is perfect, so we're not doing any offline laminating or encapsulating. Synthetics, perfect, white, clean, brilliant product. And if we can drive the machine through either a print driver or a fiery controller, we can integrate workflows with some of our external finishing partners, and we can go for short run packaging. So just want to open up all your minds to what is possible with this device rather than just your standard print every day. So we'll take a look at some slides and have a deeper dive into the engine itself. Thank you.